Hey guys, we've done Stitch Fix and today is Trunk Club. Our trunk has arrived and we're going to unpack everything and get started right now. Hi guys, Cindy is Supposedly Chic. What a busy weekend we have here at Chic headquarters. When we do subscription reviews, normally we schedule the video around the time that the product arrives. So we're going to have our home shelf delivered on Friday and our trunk club delivered on Monday. However, both got delivered on Friday, so what's a girl to do? We have to do the home chef this weekend so you guys can see the recipes, see the food, otherwise the food goes bad. We have to do the trunk club this weekend because otherwise I don't get to wear these cool items this week. So bear with me. We are going to talk trunk club today. And trunk club is new to me. I've been a Stitch Fixer for a long time. I did a Stitch Fix review just a few weeks ago. And I had some people ask me, what do I think about trunk club? And I didn't know what I thought about trunk club because I've never done it before. So I got online, checked it out, and I'll be honest with you guys, I got a little scared because they put like 10 items in this trunk. And I love clothes, and I love clothes when they look good on me. So what happens if I love all of them? I don't know if I have enough in my bank account for that. But I found out something interesting. Trunk Club is not the same as Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix comes once a month, and Stitch Fix actually incentivizes you to take the whole fix by giving you a certain discount off. So I was always trying to rationalize how I could utilize all 5 pieces that they sent me so I could get my discount. Trunk Club is not like that. Whether I keep one item or I keep all the items, they don't really care. In fact, I could tell my Trunk Club stylist, you know, I really want the perfect little black dress. And she would send me 10 different black dresses in my trunk, knowing I'm only going to buy one. So the pressure's off. It's time to just sort of break down this box, and I'm going to show you all the items, and then I'm going to try them on, and we'll do a thumbs up or a thumbs down and figure out what we're going to keep. So if you're ready, let's break into the box. Okay guys, so the first item in the trunk is a trench coat. Now this is a little bit surprising to me because I thought trench coats were meant to sort of protect you from the wind, the rain, what have you. This is a very lightweight cotton trench coat. It is a pale blue color. It is a full length trench coat. It has ruffles here on the front and ruffles on the back. It is a leaf. And again, a pale blue, it's got a tie, so I'm not sure where this will fit in my wardrobe, but we're going to try it on and not thumbs it down quite yet. The next item is one that I know that I will love, even though I haven't put it on yet. It is a halogen 3/4 sleeve cardigan, and it's an animal print. And this for me, as long as it fits well, it's a for sure for a staple for my wardrobe. I love to take sort of solid colors and give them a pop either with some animal print flats or a cardigan like this, or even like the shell underneath being the, sort of the animal print. So I really like this. I think it's a good color combination. In fact, I could even see it over this top. So we'll put this one aside, but I'm pretty sure 99.999% this is a thumbs up. Next item we have is another jacket. Sorry, it's got a little piece of lint on it. This is Way F, and it feels like a crepe material. It might be a little too dressy for kind of my normal go-to-work clothing, but it has lint all over it. It has cuffed sleeves. It has sort of a nice collar here, and it's a nice length. So we will see what we can match that and what we can pair that with. The next one I am very intrigued with. They call this is a Dear John, and they call it a knit bomber jacket. It's a little dressy for a bomber jacket. It looks like it's got kind of a nice sort of fleece material, buttons on the pockets, and then the zipper up the front. Again, this would definitely be a casual piece, but again, it's kind of the way we talked about with the Stitch Fix review, where it's a way to take a casual wardrobe and sort of kick it up a notch. So we will see what that guy looks like with some of the items in our wardrobe. The next item, guys, I don't know. I wasn't sure if I liked this when I was able to preview the trunk. And one thing I didn't mention to you about Trunk Club, which I like better than Stitch Fix, is you can actually look at what they're going to send you beforehand and go, okay, no way. Or I like that, but maybe a different style. And you can either say, don't put this guy in my trunk, but put something similar, or don't put anything at all. So there are a few pieces that were a surprise, but this one, it's kind of like, it looks like a girl's Muscle Man t-shirt, don't you think? It does have a little bit of like shearing right here where it sort of gathers, but it just looks sort of shapeless. So we will see, but I thought if it was a little more tapered than it looked like in the picture, it might have gone well with that animal print cardigan, but I, again, am not sure. So we will reserve judgment on this guy. But it is actually, where are we? It is a off-duty sheared sleeveless tee by Caston. Now we've got a little bit of color. You may have noticed all that sort of blue, black. That's kind of my sort of color range. They gave us a little pop of color with another Leith item. This is the side knot tee. They call it purple. This is not purple, people. It's really more of a mauve. Not quite sure if the color is going to work with my skin tones, but we will see. I like it because it's light. It's sort of, again, a crepe material. It's got that knot design there, just sort of a normal back. But again, I think that the color scheme might be a little too light for my skin tone. Let's hope it looks good, because I can see this dressing it up with some heels and maybe just a pair of black pants, which, by the way, we got a pair of black pants in this trunk. Stay tuned. Guys, this is another one that I really hope looks as good on me as it looks on the hanger. They call this the perfect shirt, and I see that it could be the perfect shirt. It is a Nordstrom brand BP. It is quite simply really a long sleeve button-up shirt. And I'm always challenged with button-up shirts, guys, with collars. Either they have no shape to them, so it looks like I'm wearing a guy's shirt, or they have too much shape to them and I'm bursting out the buttons. So I really like this femininity. It just looks so girly. So trying this on, I have high hopes for this guy right here. Now that does it for our like tops and jackets. We did get 3 pairs of pants. These ones, guys, I don't know. These were the ones these were one of the ones that I previewed in the trunk and went, what the heck? You know, I have to like take a few risks. They are cuffed track trousers by Madewell. They're black. They have a cuff on the leg. They are about a crop length. No pockets on the back, but they have an elastic waistband, and I am just not sure how those are going to fit. The next pair of pants we have, the next 2 actually are both NYDJ. This one is a jean. They call it a straight leg jean. Guys, I'm a little concerned simply because I tend to wear sort of tapered legs and like almost skinny jeans, and these, look at how wide that pant leg is at the bottom. Normally like my skinny jeans are like that wide. So it's almost, and the thing is, it's not a boot cut, so it doesn't taper out. It's like the whole leg is really wide, almost like boyfriend jeans, and boyfriend jeans on my shape just don't look very good. So again, we will reserve judgment until we put them on, but just not sure about these guys. And the final piece of clothing that we have to look at today are the black stretch skinny jeans. And guys, these are a wardrobe staple for me. Again, throw them on with like a t-shirt or tank top, a cardigan, and a pair of sandals, and they're good to go like anywhere during the day, on the weekends. Dress them up with some heels and a nice top, and now all of a sudden I've got a nice work outfit. So high hopes for these guys. Again, if you look at the bottom of the leg, much more what I'm used to. They have no detail in the pockets, which again, I'm not a big fan of a lot of embellishment and design on the pockets. And they do actually have front pockets, which is nice, because sometimes the skinny jeans will just be flat there, and I like to, like, you know, have my pockets in the front. Okay guys, so that does it for the clothing items, but in my trunk I have 2 non-clothing items. The first one are some booties. There's some open-toed booties by UGG. And I'm going to be real with you, until I got under these lights here, I did not realize they were like a khaki green. I thought they were beige. That may have killed this entire vibe, because I really like, first of all, I own a bunch of UGGs and they're all really comfortable. I might have to check with my stylist and see if these come in like a beige or a cream, because that's where I was going with these when I first took them out of the box. But they do have a peep toe. One thing I like about these a lot is that the heel is covered in suede also, so it's sort of a uniform look. It doesn't like go into like a wood heel. They have zippers on the back. And again, why are they green? Oh. Anyways, we'll go back to those. The second thing they sent me, my stylist and I had a very extensive conversation on purses because I am very particular about my purses. I like bigger bags, smaller purses I can't seem to get all my stuff in, but I don't like hobo bags where everything just gets thrown to the bottom of the purse. I need some sort of organization. She sent me the Michael Kors purse. I freaking love it, except it might be a little too small. But one of the things that I kind of a must-have for my purses is that there's sections. So there's 2 sections plus a zipper section. But normally I like my purses to be maybe about like that much bigger, if that makes sense. So this may be a go back, but it's definitely on the right track. Okay guys, so that's a wrap. I had a blast unpackaging Trunk Club with you, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Our final tally, guys, is 4 yeses, 2 maybes, and the rest are nos. The 2 maybes were the UGG peep toe booties and the blue jeans, the blue jeans. The yeses were the bomber jacket, the perfect shirt, the animal print cardigan, and the black leggings. Guys, if you have not already, hit the subscribe button. Please do that now. We're doing all kinds of crazy stuff here at Chic Headquarters, and you don't want to miss any of it. Also, please like and share this episode so that everyone can get in on the fun. Until next time, guys, this is Cindy, supposedly chic, and make it a good one.